These instructions will help you to secure your new Dust Deputy Low Pro to any 5-gallon bucket. After assembling the Low Pro lid separator, snap the Low Pro onto your supplied bucket. Be sure to pull out the latches before setting the Low Pro down onto the bucket. Adjust the latches so that they fit securely against the sides of the bucket, and ensure the spacing is even for both latches. Then, tighten the screws to the lid separator completely. Ensure that the latches are fully secured. The latches should sit underneath the rim of the bucket, keeping the lid separator firmly in place. Repeat the latch fitment steps only when you change to a new or different 5-gallon bucket. The Low Pro fits securely with a plurality of buckets. Please keep in mind that buckets do vary. Now you have a nice, secure fit. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to one of our systems experts by calling 866-387-8822. You can also visit oneida-air.com/CST to complete a customer support request.